Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to force Microsoft Excel to change its default currency system symbol selection. This permanently overrides the software's default $ layout, forcing your formula engine to automatically load your regional currency symbol like euros, pounds, or rupiah the second you click the accounting formatting button. To pull this off cleanly, we actually need to change the primary system rule inside Windows, since Excel locks its baseline settings directly to your computer's regional tracking layout. First, move your cursor down to your Windows taskbar. Click on your Start menu search field, type Control Panel, and hit Enter to open your main system dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the window layout. Ensure your View by Configuration dropdown is set to Large Icons, and click on the option explicitly labeled Region. A detailed configuration pop-up box will appear instantly on your screen. Look down at the absolute bottom right edge of the Formats tab pane and click the button headed Additional Settings. A secondary properties layout box called Customize Format will slide open. Move your cursor to the top row Options row and click directly on the Currency tab. Locate the specific data entry drop-down selection box explicitly labeled Currency Symbol. Click that Choices dropdown and select your target tracking asset from the list, or simply highlight the box and type your custom regional currency symbol layout directly inside it. Move to the bottom right corner of the Window Properties box, click the Apply button, and then click OK on both open configuration screens to lock the new rules into the Windows Core registry. Now, launch a fresh spreadsheet file inside Microsoft Excel. Highlight a numerical column grid layer, click your Standard Accounting Format button on the Home tab, and watch your new custom currency symbol render automatically. And that's it. Your permanent system-wide currency default layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.